Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today I want to show represent how to install R programming application as well as we are discussing detail of installation process of R Studio with the R application. So you need to know what is the user. Today's R application is very booming in the IT industry for machine learning field. So for that reason, we need to study about the R programming languages. So before that, we need to install. You know the process of installing the R programming. So later onwards, you can learn how to execute the programs under R programming. So let us start with the process of installation. First, we are move on to the Google Chrome. Search it as Google Chrome. So here defaultly it is showing as Yahoo search engine. So I am changing into Google search. Take lots of time to load because the network is very slow. So click on Google. So search it as R Studio with R. Press enter. So now move on to the link of download R Studio desktop. This is the link. POSIT website. So just to click on this. Next it will open installation page, a download page. So this is the download link. This is there are two methods are there. One is install. First you have to install the base of R. Then you have to, after the installation of base R, then you have to move on to the installation of R Studio. Because you want to work with R Studio, there is a need of R installers. For that reason, I have to install, download the first option, that is install R. Click here. So it will open for the another page. So here there are a number of options are there. Suppose you are working under the Linux operating system, maybe in the Ubuntu or Red Hat or Debian operating system, you can click for this. Or else you are working under Mac system, Apple system, you can click on download R for Mac OS. Or suppose you are most of the people are working under Windows. So that's why I am clicking on, because I am working under the Microsoft. Working under the Windows 10. For that reason, I am click this option. So here choose it as base, not a country and world country, because I am installing the first time. That's why I am choosing base. So click here. It automatically starts for the download. Click here. There is a version. Download R 4.3.1 version for Windows. So our R language versions are for new versions 4.3.1. Click here. So it automatically starts for downloading. So it will take some time to download, because this application I already downloaded. For that's why I am just pause it, because it is download application is presenting in download folder. So let us move on to the download folder and install it. So look at here, this is R installer 4.3.1. Double click it. So it will ask for the admin permission. So click yes. So language is English. Then next, same as it is. or you can change the folder also. Browse it, you can select the browser, or you can select the different drives, select it and move on to the next, because this is my default folder. Next, keep as it is. Next, click on next. No changes. Yes, next. It automatically creates a shortcut on desktop, can see later. Next, installation starts. Only few seconds it will take for installation of R installer. Just wait for a few seconds. Okay, it is very close to finish. So after installing this R installer, we have to move to the another R Studio application. So click on finish. So now after finishing this, again we are move on to the website. Come back to this first page. So here our installation is already finished. Next I want to install R Studio. Click on download R Studio desktop for Windows. The link will be automatically appear here, download link, because this is already I'm already downloaded, so no need to download again. So we can want to the download folder. So look at here, this is a R Studio 2023. So just double click it. Yes, click on next. Select your default, select your drive, so that it is saving in D drive or C drive. You can choose the browse for change the drives. I am keeping as it is. Next, click on next. No changes. Next. So it will take some time to install. Yes, we reach to installation process. So here we are finished with the two installation of R as well as installation of R Studio. Just click on finish. So now we are look on to first installation, that is R installer. Just double click it. This is a window of R. So here you can write the commands here. This place is used to write the commands. So there is no work here. So for that reason we are installed R Studio. So let us search R Studio. So this is a R Studio application. Click on it. Yes. Yes, it opens R Studio homepage. So this is exactly how we are executing the R programmings. So next onwards, we will continue with the programmings, a simple program with the coding related to R. So in this R programming, we are executing the number of related to graphical interfaces, as well as we can execute the graphs, as well as number of statistical methods, statistical calculations like mean, median, mode, and frequency distribution, coefficient of correlation. There are a number of calculation is possible in this application. So those programmings we will discuss later. Okay. Thank you for watching this video. Suppose you like this video, please share and subscribe, and click on like button if you like. Thank you.